G'day guys, Chris from Bayside Electrical, down here in Sunsborough today in the sunshine, just measuring up a roof space to put a new solar system on. It's already an existing solar system here, but it's getting quite old now and its efficiency is getting a bit poor, so we're going to pull this down and put a new one on. One of the things we need to do is whenever we come to a site is to measure the roof space to see what we can fit on, but get the angles and azimuth of the roof space of the roof itself, so that we can tailor the solar system to the needs of the household. And that's generally not just whacking a system of 6.5 kilowatts with a 5 kilowatt inverter on the roof and saying there you go and walking away. You need a tailored solution for your solar system. And part of that tailored solution too is inside the house and your lighting and so forth, where you're using all your energy, so that you can just buy less and get your bills down as close to zero as possible.